Welcome to the Nimblefingers channel. How are you doing? Okay, that's kind of a trick question because I know you're doing okay if what your primary focus is something like knitting or crochet and not trying to find out where your next meal is or, how to keep the electric on or anything like that. So, doing pretty good. We have to keep perspective, I think, all the time. And I have to remind myself often and try to. So, you're doing pretty great. That's wonderful. This channel is about sharing and learning and having fun, having a lot of fun, and sharing our joy, because isn't it just the best feeling if you are a beginner? Perhaps you have other creative ways that you've shared yourself in the past, and I can tell you that giving a pair of knitted socks to someone who's never had a pair, incredible feeling. That giving a hat to someone during winter, incredible. That on this channel, there's no telling. What you won't find here is, I got tired of editing. That anyway, I try not to be Melba toast or oatmeal. That doesn't mean, I'm anything really remarkable, but we all have our things that we can take credit for. One that I take credit for, I taught myself to knit when I was 11. My grandmother taught me to crochet whenever I was 6. She was an extraordinary crocheter. She provided me the materials to teach myself to knit when I was 11. At the time, it wasn't until many years later I appreciated what an extraordinary thing that was that she had done at the time, because she probably spent over a half a week's wages providing her 11-year-old granddaughter with that. So, yeah, been very blessed. Isn't it amazing how just exactly what we need comes into our life exactly when it should? I love the magic of life. But anyway, so here, philosophy's the thing, beliefs, opinions. I have found that it's impossible for me to share much of anything without sharing those things also. So if all you're looking for is technique, this isn't your place. If all you're looking for is Melba toast and oatmeal, this is not your place. I have 2 dogs, Sheila and Bravo. I'm getting better at editing out, particularly Bravo, who likes to talk a lot, and his talking at editing his conversations out. Sometimes they're just perfect, so I leave them alone. All apologies if that interrupts your piece by setting your dogs off. But anyway, they're awesome. Love my babies. They help me do everything that I do. I believe they make me a better human. I hope you find something that you can use. I hope, feel free to comment. Hey, I am always available. I love to share, love to help when I can, like to feel useful. It's my self-reward, okay? It's completely selfish on my part, because I get a little bump of a high every time I feel that I was useful. And it's one of the great things, I believe that's one of the best things about knitting and crochet. And I know even from early childhood, one of the best things is the fact that I was able to feel useful and recognized by the crazy around me as I was still doing something useful, unlike reading surrounded by non-readers. I'm a reader, and that was not doing. It has been such a blessing to me throughout my life. I hope you find some value and usefulness. If you have ideas, things you want to share, please do. If there's something in particular you want to see, please share your ideas. If it's something that I am unaware of, believe me, I will investigate, because I'm a research hound. I love to research things. And welcome. Please subscribe so I know you're out there. And subscribe, hit the bell. That way you know whenever I upload new information, new videos or anything. So remember, you are precious. Treat yourself accordingly.